Let's walk through setting up your Laser Academy. So when your kit arrives and you have satiated your curiosity and looked through all the parts and pieces, the first thing you're going to want to do is to go download the app. So go to your app store of choice, search for Mantis Laser Academy, install that on your phone, and when you open up the app, it will prompt you to sign up or sign in. While you don't have to have an account, it will save your data to the cloud for when you switch devices, and if you want to use your all access code to unlock all the drills, you will need to be signed in. The next thing you're going to want to do is to get your targets set up. There are a wide variety of smart targets included with the Laser Academy, and some of them even have their own drills associated with it, so you get to decide which targets you want to use for your training. We also have these stands for the targets that you can see I have set up here, and those work very well if you're putting it on a flat surface, but you can also just tape the target to the wall if that's what you prefer. The next thing is to get the laser cartridge installed in the firearm. Now, the first time you use the laser cartridge, there's going to be a little black plastic cap over the battery, and that's just for shipping and storage. So all you gotta do is unscrew the cap and remove that little piece of black plastic. To install the laser cartridge, lock the slide to the rear, insert your laser cartridge into the firing chamber with the black button facing the rear, release the slide, and you're ready to go. The next thing we're going to want to do is to position the phone. So we have it here on this tripod. There are two tripods included with the standard kit. One is a shorter one, this one is a taller one, and when it's in its extended position, it can actually be used on the floor. With your phone on the tripod, we're pretty much ready to start shooting here. So let's go ahead and use open shooting single target, and we need to make sure that the camera can see the target that we have set up. We have to have all 4 QR codes visible, and it doesn't have to fill the screen on the app. That blue outline is what we're looking for. That tells us that everything is being read correctly on the phone. And if we see a lot of red pixels, that's going to be a lighting issue, and we've got a whole troubleshooting video on that. So let's take a few shots. Let's go ahead and press start. For every shot we take, the app is going to read it. We press stop, and there's going to be a variety of data points that will be very useful in our training. So that's the basic setup of the Laser Academy. I hope this has been helpful to you. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to us. We're here to help you anytime. You can also check out our troubleshooting video for any issues you might run into. We cover a lot in that video as well. Go get training with your Laser Academy. It's going to make a big difference for you.